Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2018 MJC J2 mid-year exam question 6 B, and this question is on cosine vectors, direction cosines of vectors. So let's see how we can do this properly. So I think the first thing is to understand what are cosine vectors all about. So you're given OA is alpha plus beta j plus gamma k. So I'm just going to write this now. OA is equals to alpha, beta, gamma. Alright, and you're given that the direction cosines are cosine theta, cosine pi, and sigma. So how do you actually make the angles with the positive xyz axis are great. So this is how you do it. I will suggest you draw. So as the vectors, basically this is, if this is the x-axis, this is OA. We get this is OA, this is O, and this is A. Right. Basically this angle here between the vector and the x-axis would be a theta. So this part here is okay, and this would register alpha because this is a coordinate of alpha. Right, the x coordinate of alpha, so that's pretty okay. Now the first thing that you need to take note is basically this length here is OA, modulus OA. And what I'm going to do is actually just going to use Tuakaso, or rather the trigo ratio. And the trigo ratio will tell us that actually OA cosine theta will be given by alpha. So this is cos theta is alpha over modulus OA. Okay, so basically the vector between the vector and the x-axis is theta, and this is what we gather. So I think it shouldn't take too long for you to realize that OA is the, hence find the value of so find the direction cosine terms of alpha, beta, and gamma. So OA, modulus OA, is just the mod of holding alpha square plus beta square. So cosine theta would be alpha over square root square gamma plus beta plus alpha square. Alright, so this is it. So that's your cosine theta. Obviously, if you do the same thing for the y-axis, and the angle here would be phi, and then it will also be, you do the same step, and so you would know that cosine phi would be instead of alpha, now you have beta over square root beta square plus gamma square. Okay, and then after that you have got cosine epsilon, not epsilon, I think that is sigma. Cosine would just be this alpha square plus beta square plus sigma square. Okay, so there you go. This is what you will get. Then obviously the rest would be find the value of cosine square plus cosine square phi. So you just square everything plus cosine square phi plus cosine square. This is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. You square everything. This would just be 1. You square everything and add it up. You get 1. So the denominator will get the same term form in the top below. So this is 1. Okay, so this is how you do your part 1.